neighbor over there, so how them jaws drying. So how them dry them something like that? How it a go dry?
See people business and leave it alone. Hallelujah. Property tour time, guys. One thing that my hunger bad. So as you can see, this is the dining area. Nobody's here right now because I guess it's not time to dine. Alright, so over there, as you can see, is the pool. It's the main pool. Nobody really goes there because there are more exciting things around the corner. I can't wait for you guys to see it. It's so pretty. So this is me walking very slow because I am low on fuel. I'm really hungry. Yeah, that's the scenery, guys. It's so beautiful. I don't know how these people get this place to look so awesome. The greenery, the pool, the sea over there, the trees blowing in the wind. So majestic, really. And I don't know what building is that, but yeah. Some people stay over that side as well. And take time with the camera, girl. Sure. Yeah, and that's the food area. So I'm gonna get me something to eat. Yes. One thing about me and me, love my belly. Me, love my belly bad. I don't really want to jerk chicken or jerk pork or nothing, but everything me see and God know I'm gonna beat me bad. So yeah, me get me jerk pork. I'm gonna eat it here because, you know, me look for see if I can get something else for the devour. Uh-huh. Yeah, so over there, so you see people even play the little game. So there are a lot of things to do here. Like, you don't have to go in the pool, you can play some games on the grounds. You know, that guy was twanging, like I'm doing right now. He was twanging out hell, man. Oh my god. He was twanging some shit. So that's that's where you get your towels over that side that I just showed you guys. And that's the board that you look on, the activities board. Yeah, I can look to see what activities you're interested in, you know, so you can know what time to sleep, what time to wake up and come out. And yeah, so we're heading to the Sugar Mills Falls. What? Yes, goodie. Yes, goodie. Yes, goodie. Yes, goodie. Yes, goodie. Yeah. Yes, goodie. Way, these people full of vibes, I'm tell you. So I'm showing you the rest of the property right now. Yeah, so lovely people. This is the lunch area. You know, me love my belly, so probably my favorite area, or one of my favorites. The sea's over there, nice scenery and everything, pretty laid back. So if you want something to eat, you just let the servers know, and you can get just about anything that you want. You can get hot dogs, pizza, burgers, fries, nuggets. Oh, my favorite nuggets. Yeah, and salad for the healthy eaters. Yeah, everything.
When it's about to couple up, I'll una up number to couple up with a part. Me is bad. But it's me. Alright guys, I'm finna right along. Don't too much for me right now. You know who they're gonna die for yourself. And that's the pool bar.
So I know you were enjoying those wonderful sounds, but back to the tour. It's a tour after all. You need to hear the tour guide's voice, right? So this is a swinging bridge. You better not swing with me, though.
I hate
Oh,
this bridge.
you better don't swing with me. So we can see a better view of the waterfalls right here.
If my phone drop, I wanna play my song.
That was me ranting about if a phone falls, then you guys would have to pay me, but never mind that, right? I'm not a klutz. So that's a part of the water slide on the left side. Push over the camera, girl. Just in over the waterfalls, so. Alright, right back to me now. So people, this place is so beautiful. I can't get over it. The scenery is everything. So I'm going to show you a bit more of the property. Heading towards the water slide area. As you can see that tower there. Look like the tower with Fiona did lock up in and then Shrek go save her. Yeah, that's where
Tennis court over
you
here,
go.
so I think a playground.
And that's a tennis court over there.
But not playing a tennis. So I'm playing tennis.
And yeah, why am I looking so confused?
Wash it. Wash it.
I always try to pronounce that thing.
So if you go all
Wash
the way
it.
up there, so.
Don't know. So I was contemplating
Come on,
if I
then.
should go on the slide, but
Guys.
I'm a coward. I'm a coward. Maybe next time.
I'm in Fiona. I'm gonna have no Shrek.
When I have no Shrek for true.
Awesome.
Alright, so I'm heading over to the playground section. As you can see, it's a really nice area. You can take your kids there or your little brothers, sisters, niece, nephew. If they're probably afraid of the water, you can just leave them here and you can go over to the hammock. Wait, let me show you the hammock. Hammock is on the left side. Turn the camera on, girl.
So where's the empty and nice and
Oh yeah, there it is.
Some like it. Some like it. Sing pon the hammock and ride it.
Arisha, calm down.
I'm sorry, guys.
Calm down.
I'm a bit
Thank you.
sometimes.
We know.
Yes.
We know. So that's the hammock. And that was me trying to act as if I am used to things. Arisha. This girl kills me every time, I swear. Cause she turn over. She not used to nothing. She not used to nothing. Alright, so you be yourself and move. You don't belong there, so. Alright, so I was.
Alright, I'm see if I can find my way now.
You keep on interrupting me though.
Try to go back to my room. I'm tired.
Yeah, go back to your room.
I want to do my work.
Go and go to your work.
And try myself tomorrow. Ask what I report, what's going on for tomorrow.
She won't give me any chance to speak, guys.
Sunday, right? Yeah. Guys, I was just walking and saw this. It's so cute. Want a picture right here, so hopefully when we come back, it will be secluded. So now my battery are dead. Look at my room. Sorry guys, I just love water. So anytime I see like water, I'm not gonna video it. So the real sad fact about the matter is, I know the place, and you don't know the place. Really and truly, I'm about a little blind. Blind? A little blind right now. So I'm back. I'm back here at the main pool area. Just giving you a last spin. Those trees are amazing. Them just look nice. So, alrighty. So it's breakfast time. It's the next day, and I am hungry. So as you can see here, what they do is separate the food from the consumer. No COVID-19, none of that. That not cute. That not trendy. I think I ordered omelette or something like that. They have a wide array of choices. You can get from Jamaican style to American style dishes. And if you want something special, you can go to the different restaurants around. I didn't really get to go around that side, but yeah, basically. Alright, so you don't know, so this place have like about one or two or three, four, five, six, seven floor. So you can need the elevator, but you know the elevator always take long. I'm always stand up of hundreds and hundreds of hours waiting. And ever full of people. Never like that. Never rate that. Queer. Just go in there, man. Alright, so I'm supposed to be leaving at 11. And may I go beach. Under the sea, under the sea. Life is more better, no need no sweater, warm as can be. I know that true there. Oh, don't know that true there. Yeah, I'm too young for know them song, man. Anyways, guys, I just had to take in some of the beautiful scenery. Look at that. Look at that beautiful scenery. Everybody a couple up, you know. But you know nobody. I'm just humble and myself. Guys, the video done. It done. Hey, I'm better like, share, subscribe now because in a cheap. Yeah, cheap. You go on them place, yeah. And I better like, share, subscribe. Oh.